Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the boldest, most luxurious, and most advanced vehicles in the world. Today, get ready to experience the future of travel. This is not just an RV. This is not just a truck. This is the 2026 next level Kenworth T 2000 Motorhome, a jaw-dropping fusion of rugged strength and first-class comfort. Welcome to luxury RV heaven. This isn't your average road trip ride. It's a highway hotel, a five-star mansion on wheels, a masterpiece engineered for those who crave the open road without giving up an inch of luxury. The 2026 Kenworth T 2000 is fully redesigned from the ground up. Bolder, smarter, and more luxurious than anything Kenworth has ever made. Let's start with the exterior. The T2000 looks like a machine built for royalty. Sleek aerodynamic lines flow through its bold chrome body, with custom alloy wheels, integrated solar panels, and LED matrix headlights that give it a futuristic yet commanding presence. It doesn't just look powerful, it is. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a next-gen hybrid diesel-electric engine delivering incredible torque, improved fuel efficiency, and whisper-quiet operation on electric mode. But where this motorhome truly steals the show is on the inside. As soon as the motorized steps unfold and the doors glide open, you're welcomed by a symphony of luxury. Inside, it's like stepping into a high-end apartment. The driver's cabin features a full-glass cockpit with dual digital touchscreens, AI-powered navigation, adaptive cruise, and smart safety systems designed for long, effortless journeys. Behind the cockpit lies the living area, a spacious lounge with Italian leather recliners, a 75-inch ultra-slim smart TV, and full surround sound. The lighting adapts to your mood. The blinds are voice-activated and the floor is heated. The space is quiet, warm, and designed for pure relaxation. The kitchen is state-of-the-art, built for both convenience and style. You get a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, smart faucet, and even a hidden coffee bar. The dining area converts into a workstation or guest bed with the touch of a button, making it perfect for remote professionals or family trips. When it's time to rest, the master bedroom turns into your private sanctuary. There's a queen-size memory foam bed with massage features, mood lighting, an automatic TV lift, and storage for days. The luxury doesn't stop at sleep. The bathroom is next level too, featuring a rainfall shower, heated mirrors, smart toilet, and marble finishes that make it feel like a luxury hotel suite. Every inch of this motorhome is optimized for comfort, style, and technology. It even includes a rear garage space for your bike or mini EV, roof access with a private deck, and an outdoor kitchen setup for those beautiful camping nights under the stars. Subscribe now to Honest Auto Wheels for more reviews of futuristic luxury rides that change the way you move.